Yo! First order just came in. We've got an IHOP. This one's gonna be $14 going 6.5 miles.
Nice.
How many? 2. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You need another drink carrier?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Thank you. I finally got an order. This is for Jack in the Box. $7 going just under 3 miles. Thank you.
How are you today?
You too. Meet at door. I need a pin for this one. Lovely. Of course, it's upstairs. Why wouldn't it be upstairs? I think it's been probably like 20 minutes since my last order. Very, very slow right now. I'm ready for a nap, to be honest. Hopefully I get the next one very soon before I knock out. There we go. Finally got an order. This is going to be Starbucks, $7 going just under 3 miles. There must be a very large skunk nest around there because goddamn stinky. Looks like we're going back to Starbucks. This order is going to be $7.50 going 4.5 miles. Thank you. Thank you. Surely this isn't on the top floor, right? Surely it is. Next order up, we've got a Voodoo Donut. This is going to be $11 going 6 miles.
Awesome, here's that for you.
Thank you. Next order just came in. This is going to be for Muchas Gracias. $8 going just under 3 miles. Hello. For Amber. Thank you. You too. I finally got an order. This is going to be for Chick-fil-A, $7 going 4 miles. Today's definitely one of the slowest days that I've had in quite some time. Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a good one.
You too. Got my next order right away. This is going to be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 3.5 miles, 3 items. Well, that is an essay. Why do I get an essay? Just tell me where you live, bruh. Here we go. Got a stack for Chipotle and Noodles & Company, which are literally right next to each other. $14 going just under 6 miles. both ready for me, huh? What are the odds of that happening? All right, I am over it. So let's go home. Current time is 11:22. Current total is 71. And I have 3 Uber tips yet to come in, so probably close to 85-ish. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.